guys how I'm gonna put this bumper on. It's just pretty much putting bolts in. Once you guys know how to do it, I'm gonna show you my bumper. I about got it ready to go back on. As you can see, I got my lights in. Still got some screws here I gotta take out and get that all finished glued up. For the most part, I got it glued up. As you can see, because here I got my cobra lights in. So pretty much getting ready to slam this thing on, see what it does, and we'll go from there. Well, here's the old bumper. Got it put on. I'll show you guys kind of how I did it, best I can. I think it's turned out pretty good. Doing a little body work on it. Nowhere near done on it, obviously. I'll use this right here. Seemed to work pretty good. Didn't put enough hardener in the other day. It took a little while to set up. But if you can see right here, I had to make a bracket to kind of go on and make sure this right here wasn't sticking out too far. And but I think I'm gonna get this tire put back on and take this little thing for a ride, see what happens. I'll catch you in a few minutes. Alright, hey guys, I'm out here doing a video. I'm going to show you guys this bumper one more time. Give me some opinions, what you think. Some people like it, some people don't. I like it, that's what matters. But here's one more look at it. As you can see, I still got my things to put in right here. I still have them, but I'm going to wait till I paint the bumper, finish up before I put them in. Get it all worked out, get some more bugs worked out on it. But anyway, you guys like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it or not. Till next time, I'll talk to you later.